These are my brand new 10 scale shocks from INJORA, and don't they just look so cool? I mean, look at that. Wow. They are definitely packaged beautifully. I mean, it looks like I'm unboxing the newest tech product or something. On the box, it says that they are 90mm dual rate spring oil shocks for a 10 scale RC crawler, but that's pretty much all. Anyway, today I want to install them, test them, and have some fun. And the car that's gonna get this awesome treatment is this Axial no, that's not right. It's this Axial SCX10 CJ7. And this car is an absolute beast. It already has aftermarket wheels and tires, lots of scale upgrades, here's a few. 3D printed spotlights, 3D printed light bar on the roof, 3D printed HUD details, some new doors along with a sticker sheet, 2 guys inside with some custom headwear, license plate and toe shackles, a custom boot in the back filled with equipment, and lots of scale details hiding everywhere pretty much. And just so you know, everything else is completely stock. Now, let's get installing. Okay, now this is quality. Look at that. I have to say, the quality of this looks beautiful. Look at that packaging in foam, everything. That looks awesome. We've got all different shocks around here, or the springs. So I'm guessing that they're interchangeable. This is just beautiful. I knew it was going to be nice coming from INJORA, but this is just on another level. Wow. Okay, so in the box, it looks like we get 4 shocks, of course, as you would expect. All of them have some nice INJORA branding on them. Really cool. Then we get 8 springs. 4 of them are kind of small springs, and 4 of them are bigger springs. Now, I'm not some shock professional, so I don't really know which ones do what, but that's just what you get. Then you have a little bag of screws and bits here. Inside, there's just a few screws and looks like some spacers or something along those lines. But these shocks are just top notch. I mean, look at this. INJORA branding on the top, fully adjustable. That is really smooth as well. Just looks beautiful. Awesome. They are, of course, fully oiled up like you would expect from a company like INJORA, which is always great to see. And the spring that I just took off the shock is actually also in 2 pieces. So we have the little spring on top. Then we take this part off, we have this plastic connector thing. Then if we take the plastic connector off, we have the big spring. Which means that these shocks are very adjustable if you use all of these springs as well. Very cool. I have noticed in the past that my Axial is sagging a lot in the front here. See, it is just falling on this side. So I hope that these INJORA shocks will fix this. Now, let's get installing. And there we go, we have installed the shocks. They look great, although I think the front is sitting a little bit low and the back may be high, but I'm not sure. Let's put the body on first. That was very nice and relaxing as well to put them on. Definitely would recommend it, to be honest. Was pretty cool. Yep, the front is definitely sitting way too low. I hope that just adjusting them will be enough, but I am not sure. This is them fully raised up, and I do not think that's enough, sadly. Give me a moment and I'm gonna go take them off and change some of the springs around and see if I can get it to look good and to be the perfect height. And there we go, quite a while later, but just look at this. It is perfectly set up, sits perfectly level. That is really good, I think. On the back it is pretty damn good as well, also very level. I think the height is perfect too, and overall I think it's really good. The shocks also fix the sag here in the front, so it is now all nice and level. And the suspension just feels great. I mean, look at that, it is so realistic. If I give it a little drop test here. Oh, maybe not that one, but there, like it is great, I think. Very, very realistic. Awesome. But the thing that everyone cares about most, the flex test. I think that is really good as well. Cool. Now that we have a very premium, very nice suspension setup on a beautiful car like this, I think the last thing left to do is to go for a run. It is really windy outside right now, but still, let's at least try. Oh yes, this car just looks awesome. I wonder how it's going to perform. Okay, first test, we've got a hovercraft. Let's see how it's going to perform. I'm actually just going to go down to 50% throttle here. More control. That looks awesome. I'm sure it's going to do this car no problem as well. But let's go just for fun. Take two. What do you think, Wimpy? Pretty impressive, huh? No? No? Okay, just show me your ass then. I love the way that the suspension wobbles when the car is driving on the gravel. It looks really realistic. What about this flex test here? Oh yeah, look at that back wheel. We've got way more than enough flex there. Beautiful. Oh my god, it is still going? Okay, now it's going to topple over. But just look at that. In a pretty much stock 10 scale crawler, I think that's pretty crazy. And officially, this isn't even a crawler, it's like a trail truck. Okay, but what about the slow motion test? I think it passed with an A+. Okay, now something a little more technical. We've got 3 of these wooden planks here. Okay, first one is just easy claps. Oh, look at that flex, that is crazy. Easy. And the last 2. That flex is insane. I think it was out of shot a little bit there, but just look at that. Awesome. Okay guys, well I'm not really sure what to say anymore. I mean, the shocks look great, feel great, they work perfectly as you've seen. Just overall, lots of positive things to say about them. Even the packaging at the start of the video, that was insane. I've never seen any shocks packaged as nicely as these ones, so just lots of good things. But in the end, the decision is up to you if you want to get them or not. Either way, if you use my link in the description of this video to the INJORA website, you have a nice discount straight from me. So if you want to support the channel plus get a nice discount, please use that link. And that goes for any purchases from the INJORA website. Yeah, overall, that was really fun to film. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.